Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara. ما يود الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب ولا المشركين أن ينزل عليكم من خير من ربكم والله يختص برحمته من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم. Translation: Neither disbelievers among the people of the scripture nor mushrikeens, pagans and idolaters, desire that any good thing should have been sent down to you from your Rabb. But Allah chooses specially for His mercy whom He please. And Allah is the possessor of limitless and great bounty. When Muslims called Jews towards Islam, they said that your deen, your religion is not better than our deen, and we wish that your religion was better than our deen so that we could have followed you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala negated this and sent down this ayah and said that, O Muslims, O Mu'mineen, they don't like that you get any kind of goodness. And the Jews are dying because of the jealousy that last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came from the Bani Ismail, from the children of Ismail, and did not come from Bani Ishaq and the children of Yaqub alayhi salam, and they did not come from the Bani Israel. And on the other hand, the pagans and idolaters, the mushrikeen, they don't like the deen of Islam because it is not in accordance of their wishes, and their wishes was that they were idolaters and they loved the shirk. They wanted to associate the idols with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that is the reason they didn't like the deen of Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala corrected the Jews and the idolaters and said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not limited by the ideas of anyone, and He can give His mercy and His bounties to whoever He wishes and whoever He likes, and nobody can complain about it or nobody can be jealous about it. Ibn Kasir says in his tafsir that in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned the enmity of the book, the people of the book, and the mushrikeen. And this has kind of terminated the love, so that Muslims should know that what the thought process of these idolaters and Jews is. So, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly given His bounties and His mercy to the Ummah Muhammadi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So one thing in this ayah, in the previous ayah, that we should not follow the ways of the previous nation, the ways of Jews, the ways of mushrikeen, and the ways of Christians. And we said in the last ayah yesterday that Jews used to twist their tongues and used to say the things that would change the meaning. And one thing, we observe even today that some of us, when they say salam, instead of saying assalamu alaikum, they say assalamu alaikum. So there is no clear lam in that, assalamu alaikum. And there's a hadith about that assalamu alaikum means that death be on you, because sam means death. So we must be very careful when using our tongue, and we must be very careful in living this life that we do not follow the mistakes of the previous nations. Oh Allah, give us clear guidance of Quran, connect us to Quran, and don't let us repeat the mistakes of Jews and idolaters and Christians. Oh Allah, Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.